Good evening. Let's do this. So, first off, we're going to make a sorted list of cleaners' daily performance for service ID 6 for 2 or more stars with cleaners' ID and email address. So, let's start this. Query and design view. We're going to grab all the tables. I know we don't need the supervisor one, but let's have it anyway. So we need cleaner ID, we need the cleaner's name, we need the cleaner's surname, and we need the cleaner's email address. And in order to select them all at once like that, I hold down Control and click, and then I can just drag them in nice and quickly like that. I'm going to need the cleaning service ID and the cleaning service. There we go. And I'm going to need the job star rating, and I'm going to need the date. Have I lost that? Kind of. So we'll delete that. There we go. Job star ratings back. I'm just going to bring this over because at the moment we need the space. So have I got everything? Daily performance. So, yep. Okay. So first of all, how are we going to sort this? We're going to sort this by cleaner's ID ascending, so it's now a sorted list. We need service ID 6, so cleaning service ID, we just stick the number 6 in there, not that typo. And you want the daily performance, so we're going to need to have a wildcard search. So square brackets, enter date, close square brackets, and we want it for 2 or more stars. So that's greater than or equal to 2. Fantastic. So let's just quickly go here. We've got a sort here, so it's now ascending. We're looking at service ID 6. We've got our ability to select the date we want. Remember, square brackets, whatever then you want to write in as the prompt for the user. And then, of course, greater than or equal to 2. So let's click run, see if it works. So first of all, we're going to enter the date, and the date that I always seem to be using for this database is the 11th of the 3rd, 17, and I seem to be making all the typos tonight. Again, got to be really careful. Don't want to be making typos. So I'm going to click OK, and bang! So there we go. We've got everything we need. It's sorted. We've got the names. We've got the surnames. We've got the IDs, we've got the job star ratings. This is what we want. Okay. If you want, actually, I'm not that happy with that. I'm not going to sort it ascending there. I'm actually going to sort it by the job star rating. That seems to make a little more sense. So let's have another look there. And perfect. Yeah, that works. So we know now we've got an ascending sort here. Perfect, so that works. So again, we're going to save it, and just in the same way that we always save a query, it's QRY underscore, and we're going to give this a specific name. We're going to call it ID 6 greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so we know what it is, but in front of the ID 6, 1, 2, 3, it's the 3rd query from the list, and we'll just stick a space in there. It just makes it easy when we're doing reports and things like that. And then we're just going to click OK, and that's saved. And there it is there. I already seem to have one. Anyway, no problems. Close. Let's just have a quick look there. What's this? Yeah, I'm not as keen on that one. We're going to get rid of it. And delete. There we go. So, right, now we're going to create the report for that. So, report wizard. Yep, it's already selected. We're going to whack across all the information that we want. Click next. Yep, it's sorting it all out quite nicely for us. Again, not that much work to do. The summary options thing, I'm going to come back to this later. If you need to do some maths, and remember, how you provide the outputs up to you. you've got these things here, sum, average, min and max, where the database will largely make the reports for you based off your queries. Super useful. I'm going to do a video on that later, but it's probably going to be during half term. Okay, so we click next. I'm going to landscape. It just makes it easier to fit everything in. And then always got to remember, got to give it a sensible name. So rpt underscore 3 id 6 greater than or equal to 2. And let's preview the report. So we're going to enter the date 11. Oh, no, don't. Let's just preview that. 11 stroke 3 stroke 117. All the typos. Yeah, so we just need to just tidy this up a touche. And there we go. So again, the cleaner ID really doesn't need to be very big at all. It's hogging all that lovely space on our report. There we go. Just think. Might not look perfect, but remember, you are going to be under the gun for time when you actually do the real thing. And of course, if your presentation's a bit sloppy on the database itself, you know what? Doesn't actually matter too much. Try not to lose too much sleep, because that will actually work in your favour. And why will that work in your favour? Because you can then discuss that as something that you would improve when it comes to your evaluation. You can talk about it as an improvement, aesthetic improvements. And when you read my evaluation that I've done of my database, one of the things that I've said is I would improve the aesthetic look of it, because honestly, it could look nicer. But there we go. But you've got to work with the time that you've got. Okay. And then job star rating, I'm just going to cheat this a little bit by doing it like that, job star rating, and that should work nicely. I'm going to hit save. Ooh, almost forgot. Got to give it a title. So, job ID 2 for given date, 2 or more stars. Okay, happy day. So we're just going to hit save there, and we're just going to check that looks absolutely lovely now. And that didn't work because I didn't use the slashes, I used dots. So 11 stroke 3 stroke 17 and bang. Yeah, that looks nice. It's everything we could want. Perfect. So that's that one done. Hit save, close that down. I'm gonna do the next two as just individual videos, I think. So I'll get that uploaded now, and I'll see you for the next video very shortly. Laters.